No matter what meal you're having, bread is a key item you'll find on any table. It has a rich history dating back to ancient times. It began as a basic combination of grains and water and evolved into various forms across different cultures. Today, it comes in multiple forms, whether it's store-bought white bread, flatbread, or fancy focaccia bread. So, how do they do it? Bread's journey begins around 5000 BC with the cultivation of wheat and barley, fundamental grains in early human diets. Our ancestors, exploring ways to make these grains more edible, discovered that adding water and cooking them on hot stones turned them into palatable flatbreads and porridge. This marked the invention of bread as we know it. The evolution of bread took a significant leap in ancient times. The discovery of leavening, likely a happy accident in a warm kitchen, revolutionized bread making. This process, where a dough rises due to yeast fermentation, was a game changer, leading to softer, more flavorful bread. The Romans further advanced bread making by introducing efficient grain grinding techniques. They developed mills that used rotating stones, a significant step forward from earlier, more laborious methods. This innovation had a huge impact on bread quality, as well as on social and economic structures. Bread, depending on its quality and rarity, became a marker of social status, with finer white breads often reserved for the wealthy. White bread, which required more processing and was harder to produce, was often a luxury for the rich. The more nutritious whole grain bread was common among the poorer population. From ancient flatbreads to the diverse range of loaves we enjoy today, the journey of bread shows human ingenuity. Its production method today is an equally fascinating journey. The magic of bread begins with the three fundamental ingredients, which are grain, water, and yeast. Each plays a vital role in bread making. Grain, typically wheat or barley, is the backbone of bread. When ground, it forms the primary structure of bread: flour. Different grains bring unique flavors and nutritional profiles. Whole grains, rich in fiber and vitamins, are popular for their health benefits. Next up is water, a seemingly simple yet crucial ingredient. It binds the flour into dough and hydrates the yeast, kickstarting the fermentation process. Yeast, a remarkable microorganism, is the heart of leavening. It ferments the sugars in the flour, producing carbon dioxide, which makes the dough rise, resulting in soft, airy bread. Together, these ingredients form the basic building blocks of bread. While different types of bread could include additional ingredients, these three have been used forever for a delicious part of our diet. Have you ever wondered how bread today is made in factories? The modern manufacturing process of bread starts with mixing ingredients. Flour, yeast, water, and additions like salt and sugar are combined. This step initiates the journey from raw materials to bread. The next step that follows is kneading, a crucial step for developing gluten. This gives bread its structure and elasticity. The first proving or fermentation allows the dough to rise, developing flavor and texture. Next, the dough is shaped into loaves and undergoes a second rising. This rise is essential for the final shape and size of the bread. However, baking is where the magic truly happens. Precise temperature and timing are vital for achieving the perfect crust and crumb. It transforms the risen dough into the bread we know and love. The use of technology ensures that this is achieved perfectly. Finally, the bread is cooled to prevent deformation and then packaged, ensuring it stays fresh and delicious until it reaches your table. Bread production has seen significant innovations over time. A major shift occurred with the transition from manual to mechanical grinding of grains. The introduction of steel roller mills revolutionized this process, making it faster and more efficient. The advent of high-speed machinery further transformed bread production. These machines quickened processes like kneading and fermenting, and drastically increased output. Packaged yeast, another pivotal innovation, simplified the baking process, contributing to consistency and efficiency in bread production. These advancements have shaped the way bread is made today, enhancing both the quality and the scale of production. Once bread is baked and packaged, it begins its journey to the consumer. Distribution channels play a crucial role in this phase. The bread travels from bakeries to various outlets like supermarkets and local stores, ensuring it reaches consumers fresh and ready to eat. The variety of bread available today is vast, catering to changing consumer tastes. From traditional white and whole grain loaves to artisanal and specialty breads, there's something for everyone. This diversity reflects our evolving palate and the adaptability of bread production to meet these varied demands. Contrary to popular belief, bread is not inherently fattening. It's a valuable source of carbohydrates and nutrients, especially when made from whole grains. The misconception around bread being fattening often stems from the high-calorie toppings typically added to it. Regardless of what type of bread you prefer, though, it's an important and yummy part of every meal. Bread has become a key part of our diet and culture, linking us to history and innovation. It's fascinating to see how something so basic is made and reaches our tables. Another common food item with basic ingredients is cheesecake. Click here to discover how cheesecake is made.